In the complex process of poultry farming and meat production management, where precision meets passion. But what happens when the machines that keep the industry running smoothly begin to falter? Meet the eviscerated 218, a vital cog in the poultry processing wheel. Its performance is crucial, but what if it suddenly stops due to unforeseen issues? And here we have the tunnel picker 284, tirelessly working to ensure that every chicken is processed with precision. But what if its conveyor belts misalign, disrupting the entire operation? There were other machineries like cage systems and chiller, vent cutters, demag vacuum filler, processing plant, steam boiler, and broiler workshop that lay as the backbone of the industry. What if its performance is hindered due to inadequate maintenance and suffers unexpected breakdowns, causing costly delays? These challenges have haunted the poultry meat production industry for too long. But now, there's a solution: Cryotos CMMS Software. With Cryotos, you can say goodbye to unexpected breakdowns. Our preventive maintenance scheduling ensures that your machines receive the care they deserve, reducing downtime and ensuring seamless production. With its streamlined maintenance and automated alerts, Cryotos CMMS software not only helps you keep your machinery in top shape, but also empowers you to monitor employee efficiency, making your operations more transparent and productive. Every task, every alert, right at the fingertips. Real-time data on process and performance of assets.
And beyond the farm and poultry meat production management, delivering the best to every customer. Inventory management simplified. With Cryotos manage to excel inventory management, optimized inventory to ensure freshness and avoid stock out.
With Cryotos CMMS, witness the transformation. Increased production output with high quality, reduced maintenance/service cost, reduced wastage due to defects/sales returns, and 20% increase in asset life expectancy. The future is effective and efficient in the process of poultry, meat production, and retail operations. Results: happy employees, customers, and consumers.